What is sourcing in fashion? Hey, I'm Shama Maher, CEO of Scaling Retail, and you probably hear the term sourcing a lot. Sourcing is the name of a show at Magic in Vegas that happens twice a year, and sourcing is also a term that's used a lot by designers, product developers, and manufacturers. So when you think about sourcing, it's really the act of finding the raw materials and the raw goods that you're using in order to make your product. You have people who source for trim, meaning all the little bells and whistles, the actual trim on a fabric, or the buttons, or the lining. And then you also have people who are sourcing for fabrics. Now, depending on the size of your company, you might have multiple different people who are sourcing different things. However, at your startup, it's likely to be one of you guys who is handling sourcing. Now, there are a variety of different trade shows to help you in your sourcing process. You have trade shows like Tex World, Premier Vision in Paris. You also have the DG Expo, which is really helpful, as well as Sourcing at Magic in Vegas. Now, these are just a few of the major shows that you can go to source new fabric, you can go to source new trim, and sometimes you can go to source new manufacturing. All right, guys, have fun sourcing. Make sure that you focus on finding the right fabrics, the right people to do the manufacturing for you. And if you ever have any issues or trouble with understanding how to maximize your cost of goods and build into your margin healthy profitability, give us an email and shoot that over to hello@scalingretail.com. We don't build products, we sell products, all right? So get those samples done, guys. Please feel free to leave some comments below and head on over to Instagram @ScalingRetail to find out more about what we can do for your fashion business. Thanks, bye.